Do you believe that the youth is the hope of nation?
Yes, I believe.
Yes, I believe.
Yes, I believe.
As a youth, we have duties and responsibilities to the society. In community. Participating in community service like clean-up drive. And be a good role model.
In school,
Academic responsibilities. Participation in activities.
in leadership and teamwork.
In the family. Show respect and support. Household responsibility.
In the world where knowledge is power, youth as learners are the architecture of our future.
As a youth, we need to be educated.
Be responsible, discipline, respect, and care. Why we need to know that youth are so special? Why? It is because they are young and full of energy.
Youth.